Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Evidence Act sections. We'll explore an easy method to master this crucial legal subject. First, understand the Act's overall structure, which helps in organizing information. Next, group related sections together to create logical connections, making recall much simpler. Then, we'll dive into using mnemonic devices, powerful tools for remembering complex details. Finally, consistent practice with real-world examples will solidify your understanding and ensure long-term retention. This systematic approach will make learning efficient and effective. Breaking down the Evidence Act into its core components is your first step. The Act is structured into 3 distinct parts and further organized into 11 chapters. Part 1, encompassing sections 5 through 55, addresses the relevancy of facts. Part 2, from section 56 to 100, focuses on the methods of proof. Finally, Part 3 details the production and overall effect of evidence. Understanding this framework helps you categorize and connect related legal principles effectively. Mnemonic devices are incredibly powerful for memorizing the Evidence Act. Try creating acronyms for lists of principles or developing vivid visual associations for abstract legal concepts. For sequential sections, a story method can link them together in a memorable narrative. Additionally, flashcards are excellent for quick, repetitive review, helping to embed key sections and their provisions into your long-term memory. These techniques transform rote learning into an engaging and effective process. Consistent practice is paramount for mastering the Evidence Act. Aim to solve at least 5 previous year's questions every day to test your knowledge and application. Engage in discussions about complex sections with your peers or mentors to gain diverse perspectives. Actively apply these sections to hypothetical legal scenarios, which strengthens your analytical skills. Regular and focused revision is crucial. It reinforces your understanding and ensures that the information remains firmly in your long-term memory, ready for recall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.